my great radio brother. We go way back. We come back from university together.
Yeah.
At UKZN.
Absolutely.
I introduced him to
this radio thing.
His radio thing. It's good.
Yeah.
So
you have just eyes to thank for my radio career. He's the first guy to put me in a radio studio. Wow, it's so much fun here. You guys are amazing. I'm blown away by this. Are you ready for Thebe?
Lenyora.